hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
So for those of you that's been asking how do I rehydrate my hair in the morning, this is what I do. Either you can wear a do-rag or your bonnet, whatever scarf you got going on that you're going to use. So this is how my hair usually look in the morning, every morning, until I have my once a week hair wash. So it looks super flat and matted down like this. But for me to hydrate my hair to make it look fresh every morning, I use the Thirsty Curls Leave-In Curl Rejuvenator from Uncle Funky's daughter. Hopefully it will zoom in. If not, I'll put a picture in the post. And then I have my own little concoction in my water bottle. It looks a little weird discolored, only because I put oils in there and mix it up with the water. So that's how I rehydrate my hair. So I just spray it. Then it start coming alive. If you choose to use a towel, you can, but you shouldn't be putting that much water in your hair for it to just be dripping off your hair down to your neck. And what it's doing is moisturizing your hair from all the other product buildup that you have, so you don't have to keep putting the same products in unless you need some more oils in your hair to keep it from being dry. But I have enough of that as well as products in my hair, so I don't really do all the extra stuff in the morning. This is my low maintenance way of still keeping my natural look without always having my hands in my hair. I still keep a towel nearby just because all that stuff is on my hands. But where's my oil? So I usually use the Wild Growth oil just to oil my scalp. And my part. And I usually massage my scalp for close to 5 minutes just to circulate the oil and open up my pores and get my blood flowing to my scalp, which also helps with hair growth. However, I'm not going to do that for this video because it's going to take way too long. But that's just what I do. And then the curl rejuvenator usually help bring back the curls if your curls are out. So I kind of do this at the end. As far as my cute little ponytail, I do the same thing to my ponytail. I just open it up some more with the curls so it can look more poofy. And again, the rejuvenator. And instead of me using edge control every day, I found a little hack to that. Whatever hair stuff that you put on your hair, obviously when you put water on it, it's just going to form back up. So that's the same thing with the edge control that I figured out. So I just put a little bit of water in my hair, and it already got the oil in it in here anyway, so I don't have to re-oil my hair. And then I use the brush. And then it looked like I put edge control back in my hair, and I didn't. Most of the time I change my rubber band just to kind of like make it look more neat. or neater, whatever you want to call it. I just tighten up my little ponytail. And with my little curls on the side, I just hydrate that with whatever water I have. And I just twist it like I'm doing a finger coil. This usually should take at least 5 minutes. It should not be over 5 minutes. Now, if your hair is longer, obviously it will be, but you shouldn't have to do as much in the morning. So it shouldn't throw off your morning routine. Not for real anyway. Unless your hair is longer, obviously, but you just need to make up for that time. And then that is it. I still have some curl pattern there, and if I want to add more, then I'll just go like that, separate the hair, straighten it out, and then it curls back up. Or if you want to do a finger coil, all you have to do is just twist your finger and then you have a curl. But I like my natural curl pattern better because once it dries from the gel that I already have in here, it'll form up and start looking better. So then I don't have nothing to worry about. The water hit it. I already have the gel on my hair from the previous video. And then the curls just come right on back. So I don't have nothing to worry about. I just hydrate it. Keep it soft, keep it smooth. That's it.